Hello, Wondertale explorers. Today we embark on a journey unlike any other, plunging into the very heart of the ocean, where life thrives in every drop and mysteries abound in the silent depths. Each creature, from the swift and sleek dolphins that slice through the waves to the slow-moving turtles that have witnessed centuries pass, carries within it a tale as old as the sea itself. As we delve deeper, past the swirling sands and whispering waves, we'll encounter treasures of the ocean that few have seen. Coral kingdoms rise from the ocean floor, bustling with life and activity as if cities of the sea. Schools of shimmering fish weave through the water, crafting a living tapestry that changes and flows with the currents. Are you ready to glide alongside the playful dolphins, to gaze in awe at the slow majesty of the sea turtles, and to marvel at the quiet power of the sleek sharks? Our intrepid trio, Mason, Michael and Mia, are eager to share this world with you. Join us as we dive into the deep, where adventure awaits and every discovery is a treasure. Welcome to the underwater journey of a lifetime. Welcome to the secrets of the sea. Mia, look, dolphins, Mason exclaims. These playful creatures love to jump and spin, adds Michael. Dolphins use echolocation to communicate and hunt. They are very social animals and often travel in groups called pods. Dolphins can leap up to 20 feet in the air and are known for their intelligence and friendly nature. Dolphins have a unique signature whistle that can be recognized by other dolphins, similar to a name. They sleep with one eye open, as they need to be half awake to breathe and to watch out for potential predators. "Well, a shark," whispers Mia nervously. "Don't worry, they're fascinating," reassures Michael. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years. They have multiple rows of replaceable teeth. Some sharks can detect one part of blood in 100 million parts of water. Not all sharks are dangerous to humans. Sharks have a special sense called electroreception, allowing them to detect electrical fields created by other animals, which is useful for hunting. Despite their reputation, shark attacks are extremely rare, and you're more likely to be struck by lightning than to be bitten by a shark. "Look at these colors," exclaims Mason. "The reef is like an underwater city," Mia adds. Coral reefs are made up of thousands of tiny animals called coral polyps. They are home to about 25% of all marine life. Reefs protect coastlines from storms and erosion. Some corals live for thousands of years, and some individual reefs are even older. Coral reefs are very important to the fishing industry and provide a habitat for a diverse array of marine life. "An octopus," Michael points out. "It can change color and shape," says Mia. "Octopuses are cephalopods with 8 arms. They are known for their intelligence and problem-solving skills. Octopuses can squirt ink to escape predators. They can mimic the shapes and colors of other sea animals. An octopus has 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Octopuses are known to use tools, such as using coconut shells to hide from predators, showing their problem-solving abilities." Mia spots a shape gliding through the water, Michael whispers. "It's a sea turtle." "Look how gracefully it swims," Mason adds with admiration. "Sea turtles have been navigating the oceans for over 100 million years. They can travel thousands of miles every year between feeding and nesting grounds, and unlike other turtles, sea turtles cannot retract their legs and head into their shells. Some species of sea turtles are known to help maintain the health of seagrass beds and coral reefs." As Mason, Michael and Mia ascend from the ocean's embrace, their hearts are alight with the thrill of discovery. "Such an extraordinary adventure," Mia beams. Mason nods in agreement. "The sea's wonders are endless." Michael, with eyes sparkling with anticipation, chimes in, "And we've just scratched the surface of learning." They wave a heartfelt goodbye to their new aquatic friends, vowing to return. Each dive unveils new secrets, each stroke a commitment to protect our wondrous blue planet. The trio's journey may pause here, but the quest for knowledge never ends. As they watch the waves kiss the shore, they're already dreaming of their next marine escapade. "Keep your spirit of discovery alive," they urge, "and join us as we dive into another thrilling part of our world. So until we meet again, remember to follow along on our next adventure, where the depths will reveal even more treasures. The ocean awaits, ready to tell its tales to those willing to plunge into its mysteries. Let's continue to seek, learn, and marvel together."